Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix the issue with Pendrive not being detected on OPPO A60. If you use the USB adapter in order to plug in the USB driver, like so, there we go, and nothing happens, the Pendrive is not being detected by the device, there is an easy fix that allows you to let the device detect the Pendrive. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to additional settings, and then over here scroll down one more time to find OTG connection, and you want to tap on the slider in order to start using the Pendrive. After a few seconds, you should be moved to the Files app, and then over here you will find OTG, which is the Pendrive data. You can also go back and open the Files by Google, and over here you should also be able to find the Pendrive in the storage devices. And now the Pendrive should be easily detected, and you should be able to use it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!